Yay!
Pig, this is my little brother.
We got him.
This is...
Mega faggot!
And this is...
Враг сзади по левому флангу! It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George are having a picnic.
Here's some orange juice for you, Teddy. What do you say? You're very welcome, Teddy. Here's some orange juice for you, Mr. Dinosaur. And what do you say? Would Teddy or Mr. Dinosaur like a cookie?
No!
What was that strange noise?
Peppa! George! Quick! Come inside the house!
Mummy, there was a loud bang sound.
It's thunder, Peppa. It means there will be a thunderstorm with lots of rain. Quick, into the house!
The sky is getting darker and darker. It's going to be a thunderstorm.
Peppa, George, did you bring all your...
Dinosaur.
Good. Mr. Dinosaur is safe.
I left Teddy in the garden.
Daddy Pig will rescue you.
Better hurry, Daddy Pig. It's just about to rain.
I know all about thunderstorms. It won't rain for ages. As I thought, if time before it rains.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Poor Teddy. He's soaking wet.
Yes, poor Daddy. Let's get him dry.
Poor Teddy.
There you are. All dry.
Achoo! About poor Daddy. I'm soaking wet too.
Oh, sorry, Daddy Pig. Let's get you dry. Pig, nice and dry.
The rain is coming in the house.
Daddy Pig is using a bucket to catch the drips.
Well done, Daddy Pig.
Easy as...
Shadow!
Nani?
Quick, find something else to catch the...
Mega faggot!
Well done, Peppa.
Easy as pie. Mummy, the thunderbangs are very loud.
It's okay, children. Don't be frightened.
Let's count between each flash and bang.
The higher we can count, the further away the thunderstorm
Mega
is.
faggot!
1, 2, 3.
That's 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's 5. The thunderstorm
Mega
is going
faggot.
away.
The thunderstorm is over.
Hooray!
The garden with muddy bugs. Love jumping up and down muddy bugs. Everyone loves jumping
Suck.